Okay, I'm turning my rotary encoder and it is sending a signal from this board, ESP32 room board by Key Studio, by way of the USB to my Arduino serial monitor, and you can see the numbers change as I turn the little cork handle. These numbers are changing, and I asked ChatGPT to write me a program that says if these numbers are position 6, turn on the red LED, which is wired into one of the pins, which I've specified, pin 17. And then if the number is 3, it's supposed to turn on pin 16 and turn off pin 17. Now, this rotary encoder is a KY040, so I specified that. This board is called a Key Studio KS5016, which uploads data by Wi-Fi to the internet. I don't have that programmed at this minute. I'm just testing rotary encoder with output and then activating LEDs, proving that I can turn on and off digital inputs with this encoder. I'll show you what the program looked like in here in ChatGPT. Write code for the encoder and the Key Studio board. I was quite specific on what I wanted. I named the pins. I named on and off as being 0 and 1. I did not tell, well, I did tell, Chat interpreted right to pin 16O and then followed by off, which I meant referring to O. Chat interpreted that to mean print on the serial monitor the word off, in addition to printing on the serial monitor 0 and pin 6, the pin number, pin 16. So that's what it did. It wrote the program so that it actually writes the words on and off and the pin numbers that are on and off and which position the encoder is in. It wrote all that. It came out right the first time. There were no errors. And I just pasted what Chat gave me right here. Copy the code. Which I did, and then pasted it. I changed these numbers. I wanted to use the numbers that I already had for wiring. These two wires from the clock and the data wires from the encoder. Clock pin and data pin. Other than that, it worked perfectly. So there will be more.